So what we did here was like I just said, I poured myself a summer craze. Here's some more of the tomatoes that are just, whew, it's hot. Some of them are ready to be picked. You got early girls in there, and then the rest are plum. And a lot of them in there. We picked over 200 of them already, somewhere on the ground there. I'm gonna get some tomatoes today because they're virtually falling off here, these plums. This is our second picking, and they're just redder than red. You see some on the ground too, you know what I mean? That's why I gotta lay down. Holy shoot. These come in like the, oh my God, over here. This one's huge. Holy Jesus. I figured I'd record a little bit of this, but it's not necessary because these things are falling off like crazy. You gotta look way underneath. The ones that ain't getting the sun are not growing the biggest. Oh my Lord. And I gotta get them because you're gonna make a meal. You want them all together instead of, well, some of these are huge, believe it or not. We got a whole basket full of, another basket full of tomatoes we're going to make either goulash or sauce out of, not sure. We'll see what they weigh in a minute. Just a quick pick of the tomatoes off the vine. We got hundreds more to go. I'll be turning this into goulash. Why wouldn't I? Think you're goulash.
Well, eventually I'll get goulash out of them, but today I'm just doing the tomato part.
We're doing tomatoes here. I just picked a ton of them here. We got, I don't know, about 5 pounds, 10 pounds. And there's so many more out there. These plum tomatoes come in just like the other ones do, the early birds, early girls. Man, they just come in so fast. We have to get the grandkids over here to help us pick the rest. Well, the wife decided right away to make some goulash. And boy, we love that here. We love the type of goulash. I still tell her she's got to put a couple more tomatoes in there, but that one's smushed right on the floor. Let's get a close-up of that. As she dropped it on the floor.
It fell off. It didn't want to get
And there it is. What we have here is a plate of our fantastic homemade goulash. Goulash. And it is awesome. We picked the tomatoes, the plum tomatoes from the garden, and the wife turned them into some goulash. We actually had to get an onion from the garden too because we didn't have enough. So yeah, we love making homemade stuff like that. And this is dynamite. We're going to eat that now. Love it. And we picked two more bowls full after that goulash. And there's so many more. There's so many more to get. They're ripening like crazy. And we end up with pounds and pounds. We'll end up with over 100 pounds of tomatoes when it's all said and done. We've gone to goulash, made a lot of sauce. We froze some tomatoes to make soup with, all kinds of stuff, and got a lot more to go.